Hi, this is Biologia. Let me explain easily why there is no such thing as human races. The term human race is a cultural construction, not a biological one of great importance in our past and present lives. It has been used as a way to justify that since we are different from them, we can treat them in a way that we consider inhuman to us. Sadly, it's been a way of justifying atrocities. But we are not discussing the cultural part. This is about biology, about whether we can talk scientifically of human races. And I'll give you the answer now. No. Skin color is used to characterize what is believed to be different human races. In fact, terms like white, black, or yellow are used to designate them. This map shows the skin color of native people of each region of the world. It shows that, for example, those Native Americans who live near the equator have dark skin, and those Native Americans who live near the poles, light skin. Skin color is not indicative of biological race. It is related to distance from the equator, darker when closer. The word race is an informal term. It corresponds to what biologists call subspecies. A species is divided into subspecies when it's possible to make up groups of individuals that are more genetically close to each other than to individuals of the other species group. The 1000 Genomes Project is an initiative to analyze the genome of 1000 people from around the world. With the data obtained, they make graphs like this one, in which the gray portion represents the amount of DNA that an individual shares with people from other continents. Dark gray is the common DNAs on all continents, and light is only on several of them. The color part shows the proportion of DNA that is unique, either exclusive to that population in dark tone or to other populations on that continent, light tone. If an image like this came out when the 1000 Genomes Project data were graphically represented, it would mean that we can talk about human races that is more exclusive than shared DNA. But if it come out, it means that the similarities outweigh the differences among groups. What do the actual data tell us? Well, what is seen on the map, that wherever you look, the gray part is larger than the colored one, that we are much more genetically similar than different, that they are not human races. I hope I convinced you, but I'll give you more evidence just in case. I don't know if you are familiar with phylogenetic trees, representation in which individuals are arranged based on their relationship. It's like a family tree. In this tree, you can see that my sister and I have a more recent common ancestor, our mother, than my cousin and I, our grandmother. My sister and I are more closely related. This is a phylogenetic tree that would be expected if each continent had a specific human race. In this imaginary tree, all Native Americans have a common ancestor who is not an ancestor of the other groups. The arrow points to the supposed common ancestor. The same will happen with the other population. Well, when DNA sequences in humans are analyzed and compared, this tree doesn't come out. This one comes out. Look at these Africans. Their common ancestor with this Melanesian is more recent than their common ancestor with these other Africans. Stated in a wrong but easy to understand way, we could say that they have the same grandfather as the Melanesian, meanwhile with the other Africans they only share a great-great-grandfather. When kinship relationships are studied in humans, it doesn't seem that we are more related to those of our continent. A lot of mixture happens. This may be because we have always loved variety. Well, this is all. I've been brief and I hope I illustrated clear. Thank you.